ओजा सिंहना असुक्की मतिक मयेक सेंगना एनालाइज तौबिख्रब मतुंगदा आई अमुक नोट पगी दरकार ले बसे आई खंजदे बट इसामकी पब्लिक सर्विस ते लेजरम कौबनीना पब्लिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देगी तौरिबा नांगिबा सखिबा अमसुंग इमिन उरिबा सिंगसे कारिनो कारि ओरम थोई हाइबा खरतंग लेजबा आइडिया से समलकना अनि थोकना हाइजगे शामकी एंथ्रोपोलॉजी की स्टूडेंट कदमदो ओजरते इंजीनियर जोबीरी सिविल सर्विस जोरी वजारेन नकनी मानफा दर्शन जोरी वजारेन नकनी शामकी जुमदा हलपदगी चाहिए खरसी तुम साहित्य के हाइगदा समाज के हाइगदा मैंने कौबिरक्त यावजबई वातनी अभ्याम खंगदी नते बट वन थिंग आई कैन वेरी वेल से obstetrics and gynecological के डॉक्टर ने ना कनागुम अरुम जेंग मंगमोय हाबदी नते तने को so I also have my opinion and allow me to express it Mr. President sir अदुगे कोई लीजन की वारी बतंगिना नसिदगी सही करोड़ लिसिंग में चमरी ममांग का बिग बैंग थोड़ो से ठोके अदुगे पृथ्वी छोटो है अदु 3 लाख सही रो ममांग सिगा पृथ्वी सिगा जीव अथवाई पाम जीव से लाए अदुगे 450 करोड़ स्वाई की ममांग स्वाई सिददी ताइबंग मी हाइबा अखोई इपुदो तो अखोइना होमो सेपियन हारे खांगनरिबो मदो लाए माग थंगना माई सलाइचा लेरिबा होमो सेपियन होमो इरेक्टस होमो निएंडरथल मतन हाइदरा चिंपांजी गोरिल्ला मंकी लोले मोय मसेन पुनरपसिदा मोय मसेन से अदम त कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ओइ लापसिदा करिगिनो ख्वाइदे सोले हारिबा अखोई इपुदो होमो सेपियन लेउरिबसे मान हिमने लेउरिबसे कल्ले हारिबा निएंडरथल species na mutki base this is only because of language oja pandit sinna haibiramba thambiramba makoi gi record matung nani ain hajir base tenawana hare krishna soladi soli but mawon that thinking yaude aduna makha ta bangam yom na sound number sentence ma haingami kick have the all kai lai changal lo jeng khini amka kick have the kai chakre chidar lo under kan adu we hin that but one monosyllabic sound aduna makhoi one sentence hoy but we the humans akoi di kari monosyllabic sound adu dagi word kayamo thousands lakh adu de sentence thousands lakh tawra ga entire world is a machine. Koina human, koina rule to the lake. Asini anthropological viewpoint there is because Jasing can be in it, and I'm trying to bring home why we are at this stage. Amaram Dana Dharma Giwasham Pandika Dharma Washu Pandavia the Wamani, human affairs ni Dharma Matan the Kaitan Past of Jagay, Old Testament, Bible Oster, some the Wadi Macham here. Shona missing the same and the same as shows a papa am to with the gate. Man, Mutal again, sing town. Akogi, Pale, Jole, Vita Banasi, Bedam, a kind of other moment. Kind of the show Saman Uri. I in a semi work that will miss the way she started, do the English Karikana and Haba Lakwe. Matan Duda, Man, Maggie, Manai, Nuasa Taraga, Maggie, Gruki, Sage. पेयर अमम से लिंगलम बने मदर निंगथौ बेबीलोन की निंगथौ तना मसी मी सिंह अमहन असुम अवाह तादन बायन टावर सारुबदे ईश्वर नाम कोई पुन मुसिदा लोन अमम हापिरंबा लोन अम से हापम न मरम बरगा लोन अमगा जाति में से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाए नसी बाबू लेगिस नसी मैते उनकी मतंग दे एक एक्सपीरियंस मतंग दे फोन से I 1965 का आर्मी के लागा इंडियन पोर्शन टेलीग्राफ डिपार्टमेंट में ज्वाइन किया UNO के ब्रांच Universal Postal Union lady, International Union ni, asika International Letter Writing Competition lady. Record ta mechi micha amat ta prize pangi haiba lady day. My question is how? Why? Masi aina investigate over khang se maiteron ge paper jenga mini pa do maiteron khang do business puya amani jeng le me but the Indian Post Sarga Department to the mighty lerim da bana puya habi the officer whatever you call it later maramna next year da ai chang matin da masi khang pa degi I want examiner happy adu ge chahi dumak da maite micha ani international literature competition on national level the prize fund. Now the question is why? Why I am narrating this story? Oje habi hibido. Oja sing na akoi ki high school oja sing na corruption to budegi koi meteron mut pani abse jamkan habi. Ai isa mi ibi no urabani. Gawati da I question ta lai matam da oja sing de gawati kapale saying corruption chaptan ta ule. Hey, oja geography nang geography ni oja ibi number same ke yengro lore. Changes to me. So I need not do it. But I na consciousness I in paper to game matamda. I had the consciousness in me. I know who jing paper se Delhi jagat me. I in Delhi the higher authority no much examine to they will monitor it. If necessary, they will reassess it. Asig aki bamale baduna. I was very much accurate in my assessment of the papers. And Madugi result from the Kanam the Karai, so Karigumasi Mawam the High Hygiene Humidity, a ma Santi, civil service army. I in hygiene we say, state government level da assume monitoring system late. If I am not mistaken, I samuchi central government da Adam Punchila Panina. I hijacked one day, but it's very evident. Taurisi kari no hibaki monitoring system like that. Because Secretary Chupambiri, Pajamo Ake Kopasana Pambiri, I'm sure he's smiling as a Adunani, Ojasing the Maning Makatam, Nadum Meta Torapishaka, Charit, my Mamut Masigi resulted when I Lakipurgini, Lakipur da Noma. Bengali sing na Lakipur town Bajaman da high school amada meeting pami I would present the holy. Makon targeted I would present the holy Ishukan. But I agreed to it. The question was the motion of the house was only 7 Bengali boys got boys and girls got first division, whereas 27 boys and girls got in first division in Manipuri medium. How? That was the motto. Because they had the knowledge. I'm sorry, I will not say it. Makukangi. Can mind nice. But Akoi lady was asking, did anybody ask water? Never. And result, I am not there. That's one point. Second point, the public service point of view, I get practical knowledge, education department, I ledger it. Let me be very clear to all of you. Now, coming to the point of object, I guess now home is an education. Related me, I see why you make me. I was a Canada. I'm announcing the combat. In place of work, such a Yaman work with them. Come on to do. School kare oja, tep oja, medium school oja weri, my manaka. Angam do my angam do English school thinjalame to the life. Amat anything you want, I should me one example episode. Secondly, Akoi Marakta, Akoi Isa Maksel, Meterium Sijaba, almost leader and Kanjariba, Akoi said. Ako ni kanitawi, ako yung mitinda kanita, this, that, why not, why we are making so many questions, so many noises. But we are sending our children to the English private schools. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯎ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯤडिꯌꯝ ꯇꯝꯃꯤ ꯕꯤꯀꯣꯖ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯤडिꯌꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯕ Now let us just have a pinpoint analysis ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯇ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯔꯥ ꯇꯝꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯤडिꯌꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯔꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯏꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌా and the language is English. Government of India की official language Hindi नहीं. But do you think they are making correspondences in Hindi? No. They are spending crores of rupees for the development of Hindi and what not they are doing. But when it comes to communication, it's only in English because this is India. अखोने लेरिबे इंडिया से याम नुंगाई जान लखीपुर के बंगाली मचा मैट्रिक पास तौरे बांग्ला पाबो नमदे आई जुम दुबे येबट बांग्ला द पाबो नमदे बंगाली मचा मैट्रिक पास तौरे तमिलनाडु द लोगोंगम चलुई लोगोंगम द लोरेबे चिंदोरी बा उतिम चा जो मान आइबो रेस्टोरेंट द पुचंदना आइबो ब्रेकफास्ट हम के तवी अरे नुपिम चा द आइने हंगी सिग इरिसु कइनो ने तमिल मरो न मानी अंकल है Please do not think that the disease is only with Manipuris. It's the same disease all over India. It is very much rooted on the ground. And it is for us to understand it. Karino to this. Ekta phone to lao ka khong ka anang kre khong ra ka atu o ki tong nai. Oji oja mana hadi ki do. Ayo karena ini mana kadai oja so mana hadi ki do. Ai ki thamu yuan. Ai am te repeat to jage. Ai 1959 की मैट्रिक नहीं 1959 की मैट्रिक नहीं है किसी मतलब तो दा एंटर नॉर्थ ईस्ट गौहाटी यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर द मैट्रिक था वो that was our time आज दा खन्ने यंगु मणिपुर काचिन सिदगी अकोई स्टैंड है जो वन डे टेन स्टैंड कॉल में कोई मतलब था मणिपुर काचिन से स्टैंड तो वहाँ जाओगे now the question is अकोई के मीडिया हम की मतंग अकोई नांगी वासिंग how far it is tenable government has to be there ना कोई नहरा उनके even associate language period about getting civil services like right now she message my lepon dai one word am tang tagen for one word what is happening gadget notification is not coming up pwd minister no ko jarao na issue thagat pay meeting do issue yaw na issue yam tang thagat lo re hodi te posa ado ko na kai no mini thagat lo du wa aje khale hoji wo kere tai asam government ki notification for pada chakri notification ta meeting no jauge central government kita amani yaure this is the position atona matama da asam dasu amar rokhomia toba bengal dasu amar bangla toba in 10 years time suddenly it was observed that bengal में asam degi upsc level the officer torp why because they left behind in the main medium of UPSC, that is English. Oje ojam ne panbigi Central Institute of Indian Languages Jampajabawani ai panjage ado ka hek thang ba Hyderabad ta oje university on kare madi matam du mai maming se Central Institute of English ai amta ka jage Central Institute of English and Foreign Languages. Hai English foreign language ching dia ko India da. Ko India da English se Indian language ne hai banata foreign language ching dia. Central Institute of English and Foreign Languages, foreign language to na Italian, German, Japan, all the languages are taught. But our basic is English. Aduna, aina khanja bada, torun gogo chimisna pali matamno oirangani, mark na class 1 degi English mani introduce to hibani. So far as I remember, class 1 degi ABCD se ho hibani. Akoi matamda class 4 dagi ABCD hoki. Class 1 da ABCD hoga karigino, he realized at that point, akoi angang sing ABCD cha he hundana class 1 de tau English medium to hodo dragadi amar Okhamiya se na UPSC tang yada roi. Not only that, IIT gumma institute, IIM institute da hayang tawakadu di Okhamiya tradition te Bangladesh te Mite Ronjuna te it's in English only. Otherwise, I could collectively Larry Badigi, Lyra, Mama passing Sina, Macha Singi, the Mata, Sara, Talaga, Macha Sing, English medium school, Haribase, Arthale one. And this is we the seniors, it is for us to understand it. Why? Adorabudi, say, Jamna Habiramado, I amuk the repeat of Jagay. Akoigi media mase, Akoigi Meteron say Hingan but Taravati. First thing, class 1 degree English media, English subject Amalya Haribase, it should be ensured that it is concretized, not for the namesake. It should be done in its proper perspective. English to maintain at the Mandimutai. English to Hairabadi, Mapa Mama Sindia, she was English I na tap na English medium school of Pasha to be the Sarapadiana, Session Lagan. I na Haribo was a Tabada, Kaitan Bizarre and talking, Kari no Hansin Mansion. I also, I may am not, I can feel. Kari no. Now let me exemplify it. Example on Hyderabadi, a Pochikatang. Amamang David. Delhi na matamdo Delhi lejari. Hana de ako chikat torismay na kaitambo sentum lejari bodi later so general news low ni news so. Delhi de lady say English school machine matter top class natin ay namo mayam na takat ulit. Ado adagi Hindi medium school da natin local school sa atin. Yang watan. One day, one chief minister came and he realized it. One chief minister came with his education minister. Both of them, they agreed to one point that we are in India, we are Indian, so we have to ensure that our children know English. Makoy Hindi ka kona na English ka big emphasis to be result kari wale. English schools, private schools na 98%, 95% pangbado da government school da 98% pangbado. Ado degi DPS school degi tam na angang transfer laki. Private school da. Kaisa kem hinge. Angat ko phenomenon. And South Delhi ki school mada school ama khate degi ako ki NEET ko examination da satra manga amata thoi. Why? Authority, chief minister, ani aduna makona constant vigilance tambaduna, constantly supervise tambaduna asigi result thorpan. Now I am coming back to the point. Ako gidi siga aiba gidi haroga tawgani toraga matak level the administrative level da ako gi monitoring implementation di tawe monitoring di late ba asina niya ko gi sorry ba isama postal department sujara manina postal sub ledger na India all India the labor process the hingi ba se only on one point inspection and monitoring asini need of the hour So oja na tapi matung ina ay question jarage engine jarage point karsi hoje hariba problem mayam si khaitang kana taw tar bada ahan bada ay gi miyeng lai bise very unfortunate situation akoi gi president manipuri side president ani di leire duly elected ha mari manga tor sujale tawi ko musum former president na hoje forward charge P3 financial P3 administration P3 hoje Delhi se tarangdan if I am not mistaken tarangdan hai chiwa hona bro so I kanam ta Oja Kumar so I blame to jade kanam ta I blame to jade Oja Gokul so I blame to jade only one thing I want to make a move resolution to move to jage Mr. President that I call new hajage elected or new central committee sina group sembiraga Oja Gokul amasung Oja Gokul aniga amukta di famin naba masing tadi tobio aduna tana atai upai leya besya at least I do not have any confidence in that masa amuktan sinna tredi Oja Gokul se thabo thadok na karino ma hasman khangre Oja Kumar Suman charge piro hai kadi kino man khangra other body central committee na group form toraga makoni ga amkan famin naga solve tawa second point Manipur gi irang simatam dak ojab ne panbi ki asiga in khangje bobam tan haije ge Nagaland create tawai matang da Constitution of India, Article 371A, the Nagaland will 35, 36, whatever tribe, more protection, restricted areas, defined town. So that no outsider, whosoever he may be, is not allowed to enter Indian affairs. Whereas, I could get Manipuri Matang Dadi. Marjar matang dadi Budachandra Maharaja Budachandra Shoitaundi matang dadi Marjar habi gadra annexation habi gadra whatever you call it Marjar habi annexation I don't know but Article 371C the Maitai di asigumba protection amatale. On the other hand, and the dangerous poisonous tamani any naga any cooking. But what does it mean? Bamadi meme laya, I cooking are any cooking to changa. Tibet meme laya, I nagana, any naga changa. Mete the bread leho. 9% of the land, Mete the leho, 91% of the land, tribal the lake. Again, Matam to the British Parliament philosophy on and later. Chingi suggestion to smaking Toxida and Tawamba. Hojika labor, government sing to Ilan hydro near quick chip in Sanaba. Oh, man higher. I could sorry, Manipur Minister Harido. Cadona, Home Minister Missan Higher. She thinks she getting more young and Tamshiko, which will have you. So, most unconstitutional one ever. Basic thinking the wrong labor. I don't know. Asing matano ojaduna to give a comment to the in hygienic body akoi means Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, Bangladesh, Karikara, Loina, Lady Mete Kona, Thammaga, Article 371C, and there must be an amendment in the Constitution, otherwise, Asigi, any cocaine, Nagasla, Bauti, no, Karim Tawiyar. ST gidi isane isage khonga isani singing thaglibni na madoi panjararo one adegi akoi duly elected president ki miyang chin jage akoi ge bangla mai ke level election se yam tuna transliterate to na mite me to ono ko matam jawre masisu group ama form to raka sen mayam ge khaibi dori bra kamai to dori ba government grant lo dori bra ase to dana transliterate to bagi matam yaure aduga amatang ay miyang jiji bi tigan legit ki divorce ko na palon ko thatu ko se ako gi chanabi mo to ako isa na anga mo ni to ko sukhang na na kasi alam mo dito le ako bi tigan dito le kan kan everything ko bi tigan de hello ya it's nothing it's wrong am ka da fashi ta udah tanggal jalan jauh
nanti iban ini lebih se mangan
ada yang tahu
tahu di lani
ada juga tongan modern tongan ani segi kasih kan itu ani itu perut napa dua ani ada je kadang mereka tahu dia ayam mereka tahu dia asik kali kena why am mentioning it hojik dah asang kasan nak tahu dia bang muka senaga mitiga pun nak mau tahu dia thado tong dore ba thado dia about 2 lakh ni 2,30,000 ni moi ka chinga mitiga tahu dia pasal si aku ni tahu si kada kena dia so it is time for us that we understand it asing mamatang da makosim su konjalo kita ai lakibu he wang le do paling kun kauri paling kun tan de lone ka bu ni ojip dia ming hongdok de mogi angang chen mami ka de basanta lebak le sana re ko ako ni konjan beu de ban hajit ka re Mary Joseph Denison adu ka ore adu ki mako jauh itu ai di tahu mau maka tahu so ai resolution ahum se mo tahu jadi Mr. President lokat kita vision ke komite kangre I thank you all amuhan na nungai na panna so na kipata bu so no koi amuhan na unat na koi problem se tanam nasi thank you all